Hi guys, for your makeup to sit well on the skin, it is very important to create a good base. You have to make sure that you handle the excess oil, pores and everything beforehand. So this is what I do. I start by washing my face and I pat it dry. Make sure that you don't rub it, just pat it dry, otherwise pores are going to open up even further. Then I use my toner. I'm using my Etude House toner and always pat it on your face. This reduces the size of the pores and make sure that they're clean. Once that is done, it is time to come in with an aloe vera gel. I have been loving this one. It's by Green Leaf. This is such an amazing product. It's very cooling. It pH balances your skin and makes sure that there's no excess oil sitting on the surface. So massage it very well. Once that is done, it is time to use some serum. I'm using the Innisfree green tea one. This is the only one that I always use. Now the serum is very important. It moisturizes your skin, not only the top layer but also it penetrates inside. For your makeup to look nice and glowy, it is very important the skin should be moisturized. It should not be oily, but it should be moisturized. Then I'm using this amazing moisturizer. It is by this brand called as Simple. As the name suggests, it is very simple. It gets the job done. The moisturizer, it of course moisturizes the skin but does not sit on the surface. It kind of blends and creates this really nice glowy kind of an effect on the skin. Once that's done, I am using my Dr. Sheth's Walnut Under Eye Cream. It is very important for a concealer to stick, so you need a good under eye cream. I always use this one. And then I'm using a lip balm because of course you need a lip balm. You have to make sure that your lips are nice and moisturized. Alright, so all this is basically a part of my everyday skincare. Once that is done, I come in with my jade roller, which I'm going to just show you. So this jade roller lives in my freezer. It is always cool. So whenever I kind of roll it on my face, it reduces the puffiness. It works on the open pores and closes them. It again balances out the oils on my skin. It also works on the redness and also gives me a kind of a lift. So I do it twice a day, and this is really helpful to do before you do your makeup. Next, I use a piece of ice. Just take a ice cube and never apply it directly on your skin. Always apply it with the help of a cloth, as I am doing. Now this is going to reduce the size of the pores drastically, so always do it towards the center of the face, which is on the cheekbones, on the nose and also the forehead, and I always do it around my mouth as well. The ice not only reduces the size of the pores, but it also makes sure that the skin is not producing excess oil. So I have oily T-zone, so I always do that. Lastly, I'm preparing my skin by spraying some primer. This is by Smashbox, and now you are all ready to glow. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.